नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हो? तो आज वी शैल लुक एट अल्टीमेट रेसिपी फॉर श्रिम्प। तो ये होएगा अल्टीमेट श्रिम्प। तो पहले आप टेकन अबाउट 2 big onions और 3 or 4 small onions. So you would get about let's say like between half kilo to 750 grams of onions. तो उसको अच्छा काट के I have sorted it in extra virgin olive oil. So it's been on the flame for about 10-15 minutes and it's doing very well. Abhi I just added 1.5 teaspoonfuls of adrak lasan or ginger garlic. So it's getting done right now. In the meantime, we have our tomatoes ready. We have our beautiful shrimp ready, about 1.5 lbs, which is under a kilo and little more than around 750 grams or so. So we have our beautiful seeds and condiments. We have our spices, which we shall add in a second. तो अभी देखो, ये है ना ऑर्गेनिक एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन ऑलिव ऑयल, ब्यूटिफुली मेड, either comes from Greece or Spain or one of those regions, है ना? तो you always want to use a beautiful oil, whether it's cold pressed Indian mustard seed oil or peanut oil or coconut oil or olive oil or avocado oil. Always make sure you use fresh cold pressed oils. Do not use chemically extracted oils. I say if you eat well and live well, you don't need to give lakhs to your doctors or local hospital, है ना? You invest on yourself and your family's health. You eat good food, you stay good. Okay? तो ऐसे beautiful ingredients, fresh organic ingredients है. Even if they are non-organic, as long as they are fresh, वो perfect होगा. So here is our onions and ginger garlic paste. अभी I've just added our beautiful red onions. Always use lot of fresh vegetables in your non-veg dishes, in your seafood dishes. Eat a lot of vegetables and fruit. You have got to eat at least 2 fruits a day. Take it from a doctor. Either you listen to good advice and take care of your health, or lakho karodo you will be paying to your doctors and hospitals. है ना? If you have any problem, quickly go to the doctor, take it taken care of. Your health is worth millions or billions. If you are healthy, you can do anything. You can make a lot of money. You can lose a lot of money. You can do whatever you want. Health gaya samjho, you are gone, then the whole khel is khatam. Okay? So main thing, you have got to use fresh, beautiful vegetables, meats, seafood, ingredients, so on. Always source locally. अपने ancestors, they have been eating for centuries and they have been healthy, used to live for over 100 years. So do the same things. Use cold pressed local oils. You don't need to use olive oil or avocado oil or some fancy oil. Use a regular cold pressed fresh oil from your local area. You can use coconut, mustard, almond, whatever you feel like. Okay? Either you will take care of your health, or something else will happen to it, or you might get an audience with Yamraj soon, right? Then that audience is not very pleasant and it will be usually on the way out, है ना? So you have to eat well. It's your responsibility. You have to take care of your health. So this is a beautiful mixture, nicely boiling up or heating up, as we would say. This is in a beautiful German bowl. Use very good quality steel or other bowls. Do not use aluminum pots or pans. घर में है तो फेंक दो, or go buy some nice beautiful steel or some good non-stick one with the latest non-stick coatings, kind of like ceramic or porcelain, which are very good and do not hurt your health. तो पहले इसमें I used olive oil, then I put some coriander, then I put some cumin, then I put some mustard seeds, then I used some sesame seeds, about a smaller tablespoonful. That's not a smaller spoon that's smaller than a teaspoonful, not a tablespoonful. Sorry about that. So this is a smaller spoon, smaller than a teaspoonful. Then I've added some nice peppers also. So now this is beautifully getting done. Hannah? Now we need to get our spice mixture in. So I am actually going to use this smaller spoon. I like to eat things that are not extremely spicy. So ऐसे देखो, little around a spoon of turmeric, little around a spoon of chili, some Himalayan salt, about 1 spoon, let's say, and then you can add a little less salt of the other one. This is kosher salt, but you can use fresh sea salt, Indian made or something, about a spoon. So 2 spoons of salt, 1 of red pepper, 1 of fresh cold pounded turmeric. Even the chili is cold pounded process, India made, that's the best one. Okay, you don't want to kill your food needs to be alive. Your food is alive, you will be alive. Otherwise, neither will you have money, nor will you have health, nor will you do anything except with some bhoots on the way out. Okay, nobody is your uncle or auntie, nobody in UK or USA will take care of you. You have to take care of your own health. Hannah, get the program and get smart and get going. So as you can see, this is our mixture. It's getting nicely done. It's steaming up. So any volatile components such as insecticides, pesticides in your food, if they are not organic, they'll steam away. You don't need to keep the steam all the time. So cook with open vessels. Pehle you can steam it a little bit to cook it, but then let the steam evaporate, so all those bad things go away. So there's a science and a technique to everything. Everything has to take correct time. You have to do it correctly. So ये बन गया अपना beautiful mixture. Onions, extra virgin olive oil with all these beautiful spices and condiments. Then I use turmeric, I use chili, I used kosher salt. You can use fresh sea salt from the Indian coastline or from Mediterranean coastline or any other coastline. You can use Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt is very good. It has a lot of minerals. So kala namak bhi hai apne paas in India, which you can use for other dishes. You can use in this too, but cycle through, use different ones. Your health will thank you, है ना? So we don't need to kill our food or cook it till it's like black and blue, like in a good boxing match. So you just need to do it smart. So देखो how beautifully the shrimp looks. About 750 grams. 750 grams of onions and vegetables, and this is the same. This doesn't need to cook too long. It needs about 5 minutes. So I'm just looking at the timer here. I'm just looking and mixing this up. So I can cover it up, but I might just let it go like that. No need to cover up everything all the time. Always eat beautifully. You will have beautiful health. Look how beautifully it's getting done. But you know what? I might do it halfway, like that. So I'll steam up a little bit. And so I'm going to give it 2.5 minutes. While it's cooking, we can actually see that process. It's cooking beautifully. So I'll maybe cook this open. So 2.5 minutes, I let it go. I'm watching the timer. So once that 2.5 minutes is there, I flip it to the other side, go another 2.5 minutes, then I shut it off. Then I move it to a cold surface. You don't want it to keep on cooking. So Every day you have to eat nice amounts of nuts. So you can do something like shelled walnuts, you can do like cashew nuts, you can do peanuts or peanut butter, you can use raisins or craisins, different things. So you always got to cycle everything. Just like that, abhi, let us say we eat lot of fruits always, right? Different kinds of fruits. Use some garlic in your foods, it's very good. So abhi, let's get back to our thing. So it's about 2 minutes, I think. So shrimp doesn't need a long time, about 4 or 5 minutes. And then even after you shut it off, it will residual keep cooking. So you don't want to overcook it. You don't want it to become rubbery. Hai? So look at how beautifully it's doing. I've just done that on the other side. I can already see some of the translucent shrimp getting kind of opaque. That will let you know when it's kind of getting done. See that? It's still a little translucent here. On the other side, see this one? See this here? It's getting cooked. So, apne paas there's a beautiful saying called Aharam Aushadam. Aharam for food, Aushadam for medicine. Food is medicine. So be careful about whatever you put into your body. Drink about 2 plus liters or as per your body weight or size or age. But for most adults, it's between 2 to 3 liters. Drink fresh water, take it from home in a nice steel container or a brass container. You always don't need to be buying plastic bottles. So, a plastic pollution ka it's a big janjat, plus a lot of that plastic will actually harm your health. So, use fresh, beautiful containers, take water from home, even cook at home as much as you can, if you like to also. But the thing is, the more you have control over your food, the more your body will thank you, and you'll actually live a very happy and long life. Hannah? So this is our shrimp. It's already getting cooked. Some of them, as you can see, are already cooked. And let's cut one up. Hannah? Let's see, see this one? It's already beautifully done. So once it's a little crunchy, not soft when you go in, is good. Plus it will keep cooking in this heat. So I'm going to shut it off. So maybe today it was only 3-4 minutes, but essentially beautiful shrimp dish. This is your ultimate shrimp dish. Any other spices, if you feel like it, you like it, just use it, right? If you want some pepper in there, if you want some cinnamon in there, anything else, use your imagination, be smart, eat well. So please have a blessed life, take care of your health, take care of your country. Vande Mataram.